everyone, welcome to another new video from Book Tales by Preetham. I hope all of you are fine in this period of quarantine. Last 2.5 months I was sitting at home, so I thought why not make a journal, because I see a lot many people making journals in their YouTube videos and discussing about them. So I have also made a simple journal from an old notebook that I had, and I want to discuss and share my journal with you, and I want you to give me your feedback about how to make better journals. Who are interested to make journals from their old notebook and do the or apply the Jugaad method, this video is certainly for them. But before I go to my journal making procedure, which you have seen in the video that I shared previously, have you subscribed my channel Book Tales by Preetham? If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe my channel Book Tales by Preetham, wherein I make videos on books, on career, on life and on personal growth. I upload new videos every week. So whenever I post a new video, if you subscribe my channel, you would be notified whenever I am posting a new video. Also, to know more about Book Tales by Preetha, do join the Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preetha. You can join me on Instagram. The Instagram handle is also by the name Book Tales by Preetha. On Twitter, the handle is @PreethaCharkar80, and I also write blogs. My blog handle is preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. The link of all the social media handle is given in the description section below. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. So, this is the journal that I have made from an old notebook. For covering this journal also, I have used this white paper, which is the back side of our old calendar. I'm sure every one of you have old calendars in home. The back side of the calendar generally have these kind of glossy paper. So that has been used to cover the notebook. And apart from this, to do this coloring, etc., I have used sketch pens. Then there is an HB pencil, there is a simple pen, scale, and of course eraser. Now, what I did, I firstly collected some quotes from Google. Like I have written over here, as you can see, always follow your dreams. So this is in the cover of the journal or the notebook. Now this is a quarterly journal where I will incorporate every idea that I have for the month of June, July, August. So I have written here quarterly journal 2020. Next, I will show you the very first page. It is my name, the monthly journal, and it is written 3rd quarter 2020. After that, I have a contents page. I have written this with pencil, and all the contents I have written down with pen. Now each of the things I will show you in details one by one. But let me warn you, one mistake that I did while doing the writings, which I did not realize, was that I have written everything with sketch pen over here, as you can see. But the page is very thin. So what is happening is, whatever I am writing in one particular page, at the back side, you can see these kind of things coming. So it is advisable when you are doing a journal, it is better to use some kind of gel pens to do the quotes and the headings. Because what happens in case of sketch pen is that it leaves a mark on the back side of the page. So this is one learning that I have learned while doing my first journal. So now I will talk to you one by one about the contents that I have made. Everything begins with an introduction. So why not be like this, something called 10 facts about me, and all these things I have written in pencil. Now you can ask me like why I have written in pencil, because what happens is if you write with pen, you can't later change anything that you have written. And many a times what happens is when we are drafting ideas, we change many a times. So that is why I thought it would be wise if I write down my views with pencil. So I have begun with 10 facts about me in the very first page, and here I have written a quote like, I'm unique, I'm special, I am me. Something that is related, associated with me. I thought this quote would be ideal. In the very next page, I have written things I want, and I have written 4 things over here. Again, I have made a related quote over here. Never give up on people or things whom or which are really very important to you. Then, on the 3rd page, I have written the heading called My Favorite Words. Again, a related quote that I have written is, be sure to taste your word before you spit them out. So here I will, in this particular page, I will write about the words which I mostly use or I always use. So whenever anybody is having a conversation with me, they can easily associate with the words that I write over here. Then I have written things that I want to improve. And again, a related quote has been written in the page beside. Continuous improvement is better than delayed imperfection. So all the quotes that I have written in each of the simultaneous pages are quotes related to the theme that is given in the right hand side of the page. Then I have written places I want to visit. Well, I never knew that there will be a period called quarantine and there will be a time called lockdown. This is the list of places that I want to visit in my lifetime, and I have made a list of the places in India and outside where I want to go before I die. So this is there as places I want to visit. If you see this particular journal, see, I am not an artist or I am not very good in drawing. So I have just written quote in one side of the page, and on the other side of the page I have written the headings, and whatever I want to do I have written down with pencil. So this is very easy, very simple, it won't take much of your time, and if you are free in this point of time, you can certainly try doing it. You will see various people doing journals all over social media and YouTube. But for people like us who are not artists, who can't draw very well, I think these kind of attempts are good, because ultimately at the end of the day, these journals are for the betterment of ourselves. So whatever sort of communication is important to realize our goals, this is the basic step that you can do to attain it. Then, in the next page, I have written about things that I plan to buy. I don't know whether I would be able to buy them this year or not because of the current economic scenario. We all are sitting down at home. Our jobs are stuck. So, I'm really unsure, but definitely I have written down the list of the things that I want to buy for myself in 2020. And the quote that I have written over here is, if you can't stop thinking about it, then go and buy it. I'm an avid shopaholic and I'm a hoarder of books and many other things. So this quote is very, very apt for people like me. I'm sure many of you will identify with me. Then in the next page, since you know I'm an avid book reader, I have also made a separate section for the books that I want to buy in 2020. Here's the list. I have written down in pencil because many a times what happens, we get these books in the e-format, in the PDF format. And thanks to the current lockdown, we can't buy books now. So if at all I get it in e-format or PDF format or any other digital format, then I don't need to buy it. But definitely I have written down the list of 19 books till now, and it is the month of June. Let me see, 6 more months are left and how many books I can buy. And the quote is, buying is a profound pleasure. Now in the very next page, so up till here, it was the introductory part. It was common for all the respective months. Now I come down to specific June month and the goals. So here I have written June 2020. With pencils I have written the major goals that I want to attain in June 2020. And below it, if you can see, I have made a calendar of the month of June. And here I have written remark, and here I have written monthly feedback. Let me see how the month of June treats me. And my quote for the month of June is, bring me some sunshine. Now in this particular page, as you can see, I have written down goal and I have divided it into 5 weeks, and here in the last section there is something called remark. So all the major weekly goals I have, like for the first week I have written down yesterday night. Yesterday it was 31st of May. So I have written down the goals for week 1 of June with pencil, and let me see how many goals I attain in the first week of the month of June. The quote that I have used is, a goal without a timeline is just a dream. And to the very next page, next to goal, I have made a to-do list. Like I have a goal to attain something in this particular week. It may be like I want to finish reading Attitude is Everything and Zen, The Art of Simple Living in this particular week. So in my goal section I have written to finish those 2 books, and in this particular to-do list in week 1 I have written which of the days will I read that particular books. So again, a quote that I have written is, even the smallest steps move you forward. So the to-do list are the small steps which I believe to reach a particular goal or aim that you want to attain in one particular week. So next page, if you can see, I have made a habit tracker. To make this habit tracker, what I did, if you can see it clearly over here, I've made a circle and I have listed down all important habits, and then I have divided the circle equally into the number of days and number of habits. Now today is the 1st of June, so I have made a habit, like there are 8 habits that I have made, and let me see how many habits I follow on the very first day of June. The ones that I will follow, I will make a marking with a particular color. So this is my habit tracker for the month of June, and let me see how it helps me to achieve my goals in return. In the next page, this is my income and expenditure page for the month of June. There is a column of income, there is a column of expenses, and there is a feedback column for the end of the month. Again, I have written, and I strongly follow it in this particular quote. It is create multiple streams of income. If you don't know, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I work as a freelance PR and marketing consultant. I do have an online accessories business called Trinket, wherein I sell handmade jewelries and bags. And lastly, since I have a passion for reading, so I have created this particular channel called Book Tales by Preetha, wherein I share about books, about personal growth, about life, and about career. I do not earn a penny till now from my YouTube channel, but maybe in future it may give me some sort of earning. That is my goal in the long run. So I always believe, and I always tell everybody, even if you have a 9-to-5 job, considering the present economic scenario, it is always good to get engaged in some sort of income or a side hustle. Now, let me go to the next page. The next page that I have created is for my YouTube channel. Now, in this particular page, I have made subheadings as content. So here I have written the content ideas for the month of June. Next to it, I have written script. Whether I have completed writing the script for that particular content topic or not, I will put a tick over here. Beside that is shoot, edit, post, publish, cross promotion, feedback. Everything I have shared in the particular section. The next section that I have created is for my YouTube channel. Now, I will talk about the subheads that I have created in this section of the page. It is content, script, shoot, edit, post, publish, cross post, and feedback. So in the first section, I will write the content that I have to shoot, what are the content topics, and about the different stages that comes before you finally see a YouTube content. So this section of the page has got this detail. While in this section of the page, I have written about monthly subscribers. So till now I have X number of subscribers, increase or decrease in the number of subscribers, which I will check in the end of the month, the best video of the month, analytics, monthly analytics, overall response, number of videos that I have posted in the month of June, number of videos that I have created in the month of June. So these two pages, if I check, I will get total details of what has happened in my YouTube channel for the month of June. In the next page, I have done a similar thing for my Instagram handle, that is Book Tales by Preetha. In this side of the page, I have written about the content that I want to post, which I have written with pencil yesterday night. What are the content predominantly I want to post in my Instagram handle, Book Tales by Preetha? Is the shooting done? Is the posting done? Heading, content type, and the response. And in this side of the page, I have again written about total number of followers, increase or decrease in the number of followers, overall response, post with most number of likes, post that did not work well. So total thing of the Instagram is given over here. Now see, these things that I have written over here and made different pages or sections is based on the kind of work that I do. You can do similarly as per your job and kind of work that you do. In the next page, I have again made different section for the IGTV videos that I plan to post on my Instagram handle, Book Tales by Preetha. Next, I will talk about my another online business, which is Trinket. It is an online business wherein I sell handmade bags and jewelries. Now, I have to do different kind of shoot. I have to create different kind of jewelries which I make with my artisan team. So for that, entire thing, I have created this particular page, and again, in this side of the page, I have written about conversion to sale, things displayed for promotion, things sold, and overall response. Now, in this section of the page, I have written for my blogs that I want to post on my channel, preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. I have made sections like topic, primary keywords, secondary keywords, writing date, publish date, and the response. So you can understand, I am sitting at home, so much work goes on, and it is completely brainstorming of content and ideas that takes around $50 to $60 of each day for me. Then, as I told you, I work as a PR marketing consultant, so I have made a section for my PR marketing company, which is called Pinnacle Community, and I have written the details about the work schedule over here in the different subjects. Next to this page, as I told you that for Book Tales by Preetha, there is a Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preetha, wherein I want active participation of all the book readers or all the people who like to read books. So in this particular page, I have kept a track of the number of groups that I joined in the previous month of May. And here I have written about the groups that I am joining in the month of June. It is good to keep a list of it. Otherwise, in so many things, you keep forgetting things. So I always prefer to write down whatever I join or don't join. Everything is written over here. Also, in this particular page, I have written about the different, I have not written, I have made the subheads on like content, date of post, number of groups posted, and the overall response. And the last page is for Trinket again. Again, for Trinket, there is a Facebook page, and this is for Trinket. And what is the overall response that happens in the month of June? For this, I have kept this particular page. So, how did you like this simple June journal by me, Preetha? Please comment down and do let me know how you make your journals. Do let me know how I can make better journals by your help. Do share the images of your journal that you make if you at all get inspired by this simple, easy journal that I have made from an old notebook, and I have covered it with a calendar page. If you get ideas to do so, do mention in the comment section, and I will come back with another video soon next week. Till then, tata and bye-bye, and thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like this video to be of little use to it, please press the like button. Please mention in the comment section about your feedback on this particular journal that I shared with you all. And if you want to see more videos from Book Tales by Preetha, then do subscribe my channel, Book Tales by Preetha. Bye-bye and have a great day.